Hello, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer the XRP token from Binance to the Cropty Wallet. I'll also show you how to take out a loan in USDT using XRP and how to return your XRP. And, of course, we'll withdraw Ripple back to Binance. Let's get started. Sending XRP from Binance to Cropty. To transfer Ripple from Binance to Cropty, you need to go to the Assets section. There, under the Spot tab, find Ripple. This is the wallet from which you can send the coins. Next, click Withdraw and choose the transfer through the crypto network. Here, you need to paste the address, select the network, and enter the amount. To paste the address, we go to Cropty. We enter XRP. Here's our Ripple token. We click Receive. Then we select the network. We only have BEP20, so we transfer in the BEP20 network. If possible, we can scan the QR code, but in this case, we copy the address. Click Copy. Simply copy the address and return to Binance. Here we paste the address. Then we select the BEP20 network and enter the amount we want to transfer, 4 XRP. Great! Now click Withdraw, Confirm, and wait. The withdrawal is in progress, and we can check the history. Let's track the withdrawal process. Here we can monitor it. I received notifications. So here are our funds, minus the fee, 3.77 XRP. Great! And, of course, on Binance, we have a confirmed withdrawal. Wonderful! That's how easy it is to transfer tokens from Binance to Cropty. How to take a loan with XRP. Now let's talk about the loan. So, how do you take a loan using Ripple as security? It's very simple. On the main screen, we see Finance. Here we have the option Earnings. We scroll this block to the right, and here we have Loan. Go to Loan, review this page, got it. Next, we select the loan amount, for example, the maximum amount in Ripple. We are immediately shown the loan amount in USDT. There are various profitable loan options for fixed periods, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and flexible. Choose the period that suits you, review the conditions, and select it. I'll choose flexible, click the check mark, and confirm. A code will be sent to the email, which we will enter and confirm. Confirm. Excellent. The loan is issued instantly, and you can see it right away. Great. Let's check our balance. Now we have Tether, USDT. Let's check. Perfect. Repaying the loan. The loan is taken. Now we need to repay it. Go to Loan. Click on this loan and press the Repay button. Confirm the repayment. A code will come. Enter the code. Confirm. Excellent. The XRP has been returned to our account. We can also see this on our balance. As you can see, it's very easy to take and repay a loan using tokens on Cropty. Transferring XRP back to Binance. Now let's transfer XRP back to Binance. Go to the Ripple token, click Send, and use Transfer through the crypto network. Choose the network. We only have one network, BEP20. We also need to enter the wallet address and select the amount. Go to Binance and get the wallet address there. Here we see that we have no balance. We transferred everything to Cropty. To find your Ripple wallet on Binance, if it's hidden, click Search, enter XRP, go to it and click the Deposit button. Choose the BEP20 network. As you remember, the system will offer the wallet address and QR code. We'll use the wallet address, copy it, go back to Cropty, and paste the wallet. Then enter the amount or click Max Amount. The Include Fee and Amount slider can be left on or turned off. If we include the fee in the amount, the recipient will receive less money than you sent because part of the amount will be used for the fee. Next, click Send, check the box, wait for the code, and confirm. The code will be sent to your email. Confirm. Excellent. So, in the transaction on Cropty, we see that the withdrawal was made and XRP was deducted from the account. Let's go to Binance and check. The funds have arrived. This is the transaction deposit, and it is confirmed. Conclusion. As you can see, making transactions with Cropty Wallet is very simple and fast. This video showed how to transfer XRP from Binance to Cropty. I showed how to take a loan in USDT using Ripple as security. You saw that there are profitable fixed-term loans available, and there is also a flexible loan, which you can quickly repay. We repaid the loan and transferred XRP back to Binance. That's all. Thanks for watching. Use Cropty Wallet.